Jiminny played a huge role of providing the entire sales team possibility to listen back to our customer voices. It also helped our management to listen back to the direct feedback we have from the market in order to position ourselves in a better way. At the same time, entire sales organization was able basically to learn from all the calls we had. And not only that, listening back to what our customers told us really helped different sales directors to listen back to calls of others recorded and then learn from the others as well. Trends overall in sales are nowadays more science oriented. So this was the main reason for start using data and statistics and all the features that Jiminny has to drive and to scale our sales organization in Evermed. When we started working with Jiminny, we had a really great experience working together with the customer success team and also your CEO, who helped us both understand what is Jiminny about and how to leverage it, how to get most of it. Of course, we had some requests that were not part of this cooperation or scope, and even then your team would be really great and responsive and help us get even more data that really helped our team. So I think it was a huge help by Jiminny. I think you are wonderful and all the time being responsive and helping us get the most out of it. One of the recent things we tried to implement is the one suggested by your great customer success team and Juliana. And this is weekly coaching sessions. So we are not only trying to use Jiminny as a platform, we are trying to use all of our advices. And recently what we started doing is having this weekly coaching session, which is great. So what we do is basically we prepare only one discovery call recording and share among our sales team. And then we gather and analyze that call, trying to share some thoughts, what went well on that call, what should be improved, and then we agree upon what should be tested in the future for all sales directors and trying to learn from that. So I think this was a great idea suggested by you and really great way to leverage Jiminny. For me personally, Team Insights is my favorite. So in order to help and support to all sales directors, I can have a clear overview of how everyone is performing and what each of them should learn from each other. So Team Insights so far is my favorite. I also like statistics. I like going through many of discovery calls and just watching at the statistics. I'm a huge fan of data, and I really like going through the statistics and just showing how each of them is performing. I also had an opportunity to join a lot of calls with them. So what I hear during the calls is actually what I see through data on Jiminny, and that's the most beautiful part about it. Two other features that I really like are playlists and also sharing snippets. Playlist we use to gather the best parts of each call in there and to gather all the learnings and all the best practices we have in entire sales organization. So this is the first one. The other one is snippets. So we are able to share some parts of the call called snippets through entire sales team and with anyone internally basically, and comment on that, give some feedback quickly. So I really like sharing snippets. I think that one is really useful.